Yep, bafethu sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Tembisa 1632. Okay, bafethu, Sundowns was playing a CAF match against the Nigerian-based team Remo Stars. Sundowns won by 5 goals bafethu to 1, conceding only 1 goal in the second half. Bafethu, Sundowns won by 5, not just winning bafethu. If as an Orlando Pirates, I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, but I was watching the match, yabo, I can tell bafethu is coming back lento le bethu sama fans. The Sundowns abantu abayisabayo is coming back bafethu. If uyibukelile match, you can tell ukuthi this was one of the best game ye-Sundowns. One of the best game ye-Sundowns this season. The last time ngibona i-Sundowns idlala so, bedlala ne-Dortmund. Yes, i-opponent namhlanje beyi-weak mara akusi-opponent e-weak, ningajutheki. This is a team le wina i-league eNigeria. This is the best team yase-Nigeria le bedlala ne-Sundowns. Most of the players abadlala lapha they are in the national team. Yabo. So what I saw today bafethu, I saw i-Sundowns Mdawu bafethu. Hayi. Not just only uMdawu bafethu, angazi ubani oscoutayo ku-Sundowns but lamajita ayi-2 number 7 no-number 10 i-Sundowns ayithengi abelungu abangalazi ibhola. I'm an Orlando Pirates fan yabo, but i-Sundowns ayithengi umlungu ongalazi ibhola. I've just noticed nje Marcelo Allende, Ribeiro, Safranco, Salesi, yabona bo-Rosino, abo-Santos. Sundowns they don't just buy umuntu umlungu. Yabo i-scouts se-Sundowns when it comes to u-scout abelungu bafethu, number 7, number 10 amathashisi wabo hayi bafethu ngathi abantu abamnyama jo. Badlala ibhola ngathi abantu abamnyama. Yabona abantu abamnyama ekazi sidlala ibhola kamnandi njani. Today I saw i-Shoeshine Piano beat. Sihlala sitshela ama-fan we-Sundowns no-Carlos ukuthi ungafuni ukudlala i-helicopter football, yekela i-Sundowns idlala ibhola eyilaziyo. Danko, congratulations bafana bastyle.